Hello everyone and welcome back to John Bill's iconic military models. Okay, so it's been a long time since you've actually seen this on the work table. In fact, in the minute you can only see half of it. So I'll kind of bring the whole hull in. So I think the total length from bow to stern was 1030 millimeters. So yeah, not massive. It's not particularly got a really wide beam, but same again, it's still really long. So I started this project back in 2022 and I did 13 or 14 videos actually building all the hull, all the skeleton and the keel and the hull. So yeah, I've not actually looked at this myself for like last 3 years. So yeah, I'm kind of impressed how good a job I did on the it's a real tight planking job, which I wanted to do because when you're doing like more of a battleship or a battle cruiser, it's got to be incredibly tight joints. So I actually wrote on there, you can see 19th of July 2022, and that's the date I actually covered this deck. And I covered it just for knowing that it was going to get put into storage for a few years until I'd got a large enough workshop to start working on it. So yeah, I'd done all the hundreds, well thousands, a little deck planks. They were all fitted in. I think actually became my most popular video in this series. It's got over 20,000 views. So I recently did a poll asking people what they wanted to see me build next, either the Prinz Eugen or the battleship Yamato. And to be fair, the vote is more towards the Yamato. But looking at both projects and just seeing just how much work needs doing on both projects, I actually think I can get this Prinz Eugen finished a lot sooner than I could do the battleship Yamato. And also I got a couple of comments from two different people saying the exact same thing, really, saying that there's hundreds and hundreds of videos out there about the battleship Yamato in different scales, in plastic, in wood, in different genres. And actually somebody said there's not many of this Prinz Eugen. And if you compare the views between my battleship Yamato and the battleship and the battle cruiser Prinz Eugen, this series was really popular, and the only reason I stopped doing it is I just run out of space. So I'll just bring across the instructions to see exactly where I was. So I think I got just about up to page K, and I'm right about there, which is my next stage, is to start fitting this this silver tape along the edges. So literally I just got that page to do where we put on a bit of a strip that goes all the way around the hull. So we go literally from page K to page L, and we'll have a complete finished hull. So yeah, so I think looking at it, that I'm actually going to start and get this this Prinz Eugen finished Not a lot of people thinking it's still a long project, and it is, but it's same as my my Stockworth Camel. When I started that again back in September, and I really got invested into it again. It only actually took me 4 months to get the Stockworth Camel from pretty much the stage I'm going to show you now on camera to be completed 4 months later. So I think this is exactly the same with the Prinz Eugen. I think I'm getting invested into it, especially. I mean, it's going to be more when I actually get my my new workshop, which will be hopefully up and running in the next couple of months, that I can maybe invest 3 or 4 months on this Prinz Eugen, get it finished, get another one squared away, to be fair. Yeah, I can remember these plans or these instructions actually being very clear. I never actually had to read the written instructions. I pretty much everything, all the information I needed, I could get off these very these clear pages. Yeah, I can just remember at the time that I really wanted to kind of see it through and get it done, but I was literally just run out of room. I don't really want to start any more projects until I finish off, especially battleship projects, before I finish off the ones that I've already got started. But there is a couple that I would like to do in the near future. So that's what was kind of driving me to get these finished. I'd like to do the wooden USS Missouri, and obviously eventually I would like to do the wooden Bismarck. But yeah, I think it'd be best if I get this this finished first. So just feeling it now, and I'm trying to figure out why this side is actually all nice and smooth, and then this side's not. And I can actually just remember now is when I build my models, which are kind of always work the same, is I always used to do one side for me, one side for the camera. So actually I did it the opposite way this time. I actually did one side for the camera, so I actually sanded this all down ready to be ready to go, and then I'd do the other side off camera myself, and I just never actually got around to doing this one yet. So yeah, so that still needs sanding down, but yeah, you can just yeah, did a really good job of this. So I'm going to intend to use some kind of 2-part filler, like a body, maybe a car body filler or something like that, to actually get all this looking more resembling a battleship rather than a wooden ship. If anybody's got any recommendations about what kind of 2-part body fillers I can use for this, just leave it in the comments, because that'd be great, especially when you're going to kind of work the wooden parts into the metal parts. You need it to kind of all nice and flowing quite seamlessly. So yeah, okay, so just a little short video today, just to kind of talk about what I'm going to do. Don't be disappointed, obviously, thinking, well, everybody voted for the Yamato, and now you're going to do the Prinz Eugen. Because once this is finished, I'll just do the Yamato next, in case. But like I say, that the Yamato is a little bit more a difficult model. It's a lot bigger on the beam, and it's not so much. It's mainly all the die-cast parts of the Yamato are not that great, and they're going to need a lot of work. And the die-cast parts on this Prinz Eugen are a little bit nicer, so I'm not going to need quite so much work as that version. Just want to say this series won't start straight away. It'll still be a series that I actually can't continue until I get my shed up and running. But that shed being completed and having a full operational workspace is getting closer every day. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's video, if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Helps the YouTube algorithm. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It doesn't cost anything, and obviously hit the notification button so you get notified when this series starts going live again. And thank you all for watching.